Alright guys, I'm going to do the B4. I'm going to just do a little cooldown coin on Scourge. This probably isn't my uh, the first squad I would want to put together for this, but just for kind of coin consideration, I'm gonna go in with this. It should be competitive for sure. We'll see what happens, obviously. So let's go ahead and go on in. This is going to be base 4 in the Alliance War. Pumpkin Spice. So let's see what Pumpkin Spice has to offer. It's a little wall action. The honeycombs right up here. Um, Really, I brought in Scourge to do most of the damage. As if I could even just get um, we got here's a 12 and here's a 12 and here's the 11s. Blast off can take care of a couple of things out here, and I'm going to put Scourge right here. He may or may not make it to this guy right here. It looks like he will, so I'm going to really kind of do that and see what's going to happen. But I kind of want a little warrior heavy here. And only one gunner. Kind of, like I was saying, I'm trying to be cooldown cognizant. So let's go ahead and let's drop Scourge in here, and then we'll see how we play out. Um, Ideally, if I could get Scourge to here, that's what I would do, and he pretty much would rip in here and take all three of these out with 2 shots. This, these all in the circle, and then I can pretty much clean up. But I don't think he's going to reach that far, but if he does, then that's going to be my first choice. My second choice is to place him right here, and he's going to do considerable damage right here. So with that being said, let's go see and drop him in and see how close we can get. And yeah, it looks like he's going to reach just fine. So we'll do a little bit of damage here. And what I'm going to do now, actually I'll wait on it a little bit. I'll let Scourge go for a second, kind of speed things up here. And then I'm going to drop him in right again here. And give him just a second to do his magic. There goes 1, there goes 2, and let's get everyone down there. So, and then let's kind of get let's take blast off right here. And now that one of those shocks is gone, I'm going to go ahead and let's take my team from 7 to 11 and release the hounds. And they'll take some of the brunt of this fire, but they're very strong. I got level 50s coming kind of at these guys. They're going to get really hit, but at least they'll take some of the shocking here and whatnot. I'm going to kind of get some fire over here and weaken these guys up for when I get over there. And I'm actually going to make sure that all the fire's taken right here and draws the defenses, and that Scourge really did a job. And then needed a few more seconds on that, or a few more milliseconds, or fractions of a second on Scrapper's shield right there. I could take out one of these guys. It's kind of my first inclination, but I kind of want to have see if I can get a few more points. Will I get enough points to get? No, yeah, I kind of want to release another set of hounds just for giggles to tear some things up here, because they're gonna probably chew this apart and then run up here and just start chewing everything, and they pretty much could take care of the base on their own. But it looks like if they go for this guy, they're all going to chew on this wall until something happens. Kind of the bad thing about not having a gunner. But and then they'll just run out. So this is the wonderful thing I love about Gnaw, is that he takes your team if you at a really high level. At a lower mid level, Gnaw's not very impressive as a standalone bot, or great by any means. But when he's kind of at a higher level, he can really take some damage and basically takes your team from 7 to 11. and I really like what you can do is you can place his ability anywhere. It doesn't need a target, and it's just really, really fun that way. So, all right, that was base 4, and we'll go on to base 5.